Now I understand. I'm not fighting death, but time. I am a green turtle, the loneliest traveler in the ocean, traveling 1,600 kilometers in 30 years just to return to the place of birth, extend the fire of life, and this journey of death. We have traveled for nearly 1,000 years. This is Wren's Island. I was born. The sand is warm like a mother's hand. Wrap me gently. We are a group. Throw away the sand with tiny claws. At that moment I smelled the sea. Salty cold. There is also some disturbing smell. Our gender is determined by temperature. Sand temperature above 28 degrees. All hatchlings will be females. And now, due to continued global warming, only one male per 100 newborn hatchlings. So most females may never reproduce again. But are these important to me? The important thing is to live first. When a hatchling was caught, his hind legs are still twitching. Seems to be fighting the injustice of fate. Our survival rate is only 1 in 1,000. Every sibling is struggling. Their mouths are wide open, like a crack in the night. So born. Living is my only belief. This moment is doomed to race against death. I don't know if I can do it, but it is possible. I'm the lucky one. That 1/1000th of a. It's not me. There is no mercy in the eyes of predators. It won't give us a chance to breathe. We walk through the sand, rush to the sea. Every step can be the end. Sand in the eyes while running, like broken glass. But I dare not stop. Finally, I see the light. Is that the light of the sea or the light of the sun? I don't know, but I know it's the safest place. Born to the light. It was the first one the ocean gave me. The waves are like a mother's palm. Send me into deeper waters. I don't know what my luck will be tomorrow. At least today I escaped the first hurdle. The next time I go ashore will be 30 years from now. But now is not the time to rest. I swim to a swaying seaweed. They are like green lotus, or my temporary home. Is it safe here? I don't know, but at least I don't have to face those sharp eyes anymore. The second lesson in life is not how to grow up, but how to hide yourself. Seaweed shakes gently in water. Hide my shadow in the shadows. This seaweed has become a sanctuary for many small animals. Sometimes I can take a bite when I'm hungry. My eyelids start to fight. Maybe sleepy, more likely tired. In the shaking I fell asleep. The seaweed valve begins to drift with the willow north. No one knows where I've been all these years. But time knows. The tide over the years, initializing my back cheek. Gradually I changed. Become completely free from the shelter of seaweed. Continue the rest of the ocean trip. Where have you been all these years? I forgot. I only remember passing by an island. That's the only scenery I remember. The roots of the reef wrap around my flag branch. The scent of flowers wafts in the sea. How long did you swim? I can't remember. I just remembered that there's a thread in my heart holding me. Is that the direction of home? Maybe. Magnetite in my bones can sense geomagnetism. The error does not exceed 20 kilometers. 30 years of wandering. Previous 600 kilometers route. I never forget the way home. Maybe not memory. It's an instinct engraved in the bones. Like being dragged north by seaweed as a child. Now I'm also pulled by an invisible magnetic field. Back to the beginning. This is half a lifetime of wandering. Return to know the hometown of Hebei. And this time back, the only mission is to reproduce. We only spawn once in a lifetime. Thousands of mothers to be walked side by side with me. Some roads go a lifetime just for this time. In one night, we can lay up to 2 million eggs. But the eggs laid here, up to 80%, will be accidentally damaged by other nesting porcelain turtles. For safe incubation, I dug a hole and put 100 eggs in it. Cover them with sand. Like my mother covered me with sand when I was a kid. When the first rays of sunlight pierce the sea, the beach starts to burn. I know it's time to leave. The heat has taken the lives of countless sisters. They're stuck in a crack in the reef, dried by hunters. Every year this beach will devour the lives of 2,000 green turtles. But this is a practice we have continued for 1,000 years. The sunken places in the sand still have the footprints of my mother when she came. So I will continue to follow the guidance of the light. Keep going. Keep going until I become that light. Finally, I understand. I am not fighting against death, but time. Are you? Are you also chasing a destined to be unreachable end? So have you ever thought about giving up? Maybe hold on a little longer.